So, let's do Racket Rival, guys. Because, no, man. No. 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 No means no. Oh, man, I put Ratchet. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Ratchet off of. Only the Ratcheted of the Ratchets play this. No. I gotta change my info. We have moved on. And now, we're doing some Roblox. Oh, they actually got games within this. Oh, but they don't have this game. Let me make sure. I'm not dressed to impress. Alright. Updated that. And let's get to it. Do I get money? I don't. My party. No, actually, I kind of like going over here. I'm not gonna hold you. What does that say? 1 out of 6. So would that be like a 3 against 3? We can do that. We're gonna do where? Oh lord. Oh wow, I forgot how to play this game already. No. No. Ah! You know, that's not fair. Yo. That one hit, not it, Chief. Can't tell. Oh. Hey. Hey, 1 against what they got? They got 2 over there? What's good, 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 what's good. Okay then. Catch me with the smoke. Set it ablaze, boy. You don't know about me. Oh. That was... I didn't think I was gonna... Ew. I'm actually doing pretty good today. Guys, this is a 1 in a million. Yo, I'm not even using any abilities, let me tell you. Get out of here with that nonsense. Oh, I lost my... Ow! Oof. Oh. Hey, yo, 2 against 1 and I'm over here killing it. Hello? Yo, you're not even trying to... You didn't even try for that one. Hello? What happened? Y'all got scared? I did it too good? I don't care. I'm gonna take this one. I'll take it. Hey! I don't understand. Why are they not... I scared them? It was just that good? I don't know what's going on with that side, but I got no more people now. Okay. Well, we won. Y'all just came at the end for the glory, okay? I held it down the whole time. Is that Robert? Oh no, that's not Robert. I thought that was Robert, and it's not Robert. Sure. What happened? People don't like playing 3-on-3? I don't understand. The truth is that they don't want to catch the smoke. That's the problem. Maybe I have to do the match button. Maybe a lot of people are doing it that way. Let's see. Oh Lord, everybody with this rice screens, yeah. My redness. I guess we're just gonna have to impact everybody. Let's try it like that, maybe. Maybe it'll work a little bit better. It look like nobody wanna do 3 against 3. They're holding it down for the 2 against 2 though. That's what I usually go in the squares too, but it just nobody was going for the 3-for-3, and I like the 3-for-3. I like how they just go and plop in here. They're going to plop in here, drop out their code, and then just dip. Unbelievable. Who the hell is Swift yet Rogue but Scout as well? Hey yo. They like doing that set in motion. I just be hitting it. Hey yo. Bye, Scout. Hey yo, with the one hit, let me tell you, can't catch this. I'm gonna need y'all to try a little harder. At least my teammate running around, bro. He's trying to cover the area. I'm gonna need y'all to try. Okay. Alright. Yo. Yo. I'm making this too easy. I'm making it too easy. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm a little bit surprised at them not using abilities. I feel like every time I watch people play this game, they're always using abilities. All this with the setting, bruh. What does that do for you? What does that do for you?
Match point.
Yo, can't make this up. Can't make this up. GG. What it? What it? Hello? Oh, now it unlocked it for me. It didn't do that before. But I gotta pay up. Unbelievable. May vary by region and active players. How many people on this? Right, the server's mad empty. What is going on? Give me all the money. Oh, maybe here? Server selector? Oh, too late. They said, oh, you found it? Ah, you stuck here now. Do not leave. Do not leave. Alright, let's go, Lucky. Who the hell? They got Ribbit Man? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I didn't even press nothing and you put me back in the game. The same people. Damn, Lucky going hard, bro. Look at this, look at this. Only one visible leg. And this girl floating. Oh no, they got abilities. Oh, oh. Girl's dashing everywhere on that one leg. Yo, I can't even tell where she going. No. I should have not jumped on that one. They going fast. What is good with these angles, bro? Stop hitting it on the side like that. Go somewhere else. You have a whole court. Okay. Yo, dashing like Superman. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's true, they taking it over. Okay. Nice shot. Thanks. To whoever. Because at this point I can't even tell who's hitting what. We all look like we're hitting it at the same time. Nice. Well, then we'll take it. Okay. I can't tell. That look kind of like out of bound, but bruh. Not those captains. Salute. Nice. Okay. I'm trying to make sure the court is covered and not being that close, but I'm missing out on the action. Okay now. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I messed that one up. I'm not gonna hold you. I messed that one up. I jumped when I should have just hit the damn thing. Yeah. Oh. My lame attempt at trying to dash. Oh. Oh. Yo. This is why I try not to stay close to them. One more.
Match point.
One more and that's a wrap. Oh, they're actually gonna let me do something. They were like, you're gonna get that one hit, that's it. Oh. Where'd it go? Oh. Yo, what? Yo, that's alright. GG, GG, GG. I want to see what they actually have here. So you gonna have it, and then I can't even. Hello. Iki. Racket Trader Pro, sir. Wow, these look crazy. Let's see. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? Danger string. No. Bruh. No, I want the kitty. Plasma fox. What the hell? They show all those cool different looking ones and then we get none of that. Cool. Where'd I go right now? Waste your money on the kid. I'm dead. I mean, at this rate, we could probably rack up so much money with how dead these servers are right now that you probably could get the kitty at this rate. It just sucks because, like, it's just like kind of dull in here today. Which is odd because I feel like in other servers it's like crazy. Like these lobbies be full to the brim.